1, 2, 3, go. Aha, yes, no. I look weird right now. I feel afraid of myself. Guys. Oh, yes, this looks scary. What the heck? Ah,
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is chunLi for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I'll give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back with the next YouTube video. Alright, so I'm very excited. I'm sure you see by thumbnail. I want to see what we're going to do. Right, we're going to turn into a tiger. Actually, I'm very nervous. So before we go to this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And press the subscribe button. Press the subscribe button because the subscribe free. You feel me? We are going to finally turn into the man from the Tigger's bag. On the Tigger's bag. Who you know turn into a man from the Tigger's bag? Nobody. You feel me? Alright, so. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna explain to you. So I'm gonna use one gold color to like set the foundation. Because everybody knows say when I use white always, remember I said white I don't want strong color. White not really strong enough. I don't know if I explain white, but you know white not really white. You feel me? White kind of thin. May I explain it right? I'm gonna give one, I'm sure. I could check out white. Alright, so you see, you just have this thin something, but like it go thin out. So what I personally want to do is put one color or something to bring you up, and then after I add the white over, I want to dry. I'm really looking at me. What it smell? This smell like old bread. What the heck? Alright. Alright. Don't pray for me. This not look like it now. This not look like it gonna dry. What the right thing may I do? Anyways, but the Tigger's eye. I'm going to one picture so I don't understand what I do. I could just draw one circle. This really smells bad, like not even if I paint for me. Alright, so this right here is too much. I mess up already. Oh, keep one space in between. You feel me? So you mean I'm gonna do this? What can talk about? This smell like all something. This not smell good. I could go and do the next eye. I could draw a circle. So we're gonna look at the man look like Tiggers. What my parents are going I'm going to alright before Christmas just come home. Cause if you have a little sister, you know, so she just always want to come bother you. When you do things like this, like, girl, bye. Alright, so when I might have looked upon this and I said, oh, look how she look great. I just want, I mean, no. This smells very bad. Certain pain I feel by you, because my skin start break out now. What am I going to do? Serious time now. Alright, so which I will start with first. We start with this, so no, like I use the other brush because right now I'm not get what I really want. I use a big brush, so we could just put a finger across and just it looks like we have to go do second coat. You know, like when you polish your fingernail. Oh, it look good. I'm not getting white on. I am getting the white. That alright. Focus. I'm actually looking at the mirror. Alright, I could talk about being 18 years old. I feel like being 18 it's just more just expect from you. You know what I'm saying? People look by you, oh you're 18-year-old, you're supposed to this, you're supposed to that. Even if I did that 17 yesterday, everybody treat you like you're little. If you not go and so quit for 18-year-old, if you not got rocks so quit for 18-year-old, might as well when them 17 enough treat them big because at least them are going on here to prepare for grow up. You know what I'm saying? Because people going so crazy about 18, oh she's 18, she's supposed to this, she's supposed to that, he's supposed to this, he's supposed to that.
So stop treating me like me little then when I'm 17.
At least when I prepare myself to be big when yeah, and I get what I'm saying? I don't know how this look. I feel like I need to close my eye and just get one wipe. 1, 2, 3, go. Aha, yes, no. Okay, that is enough. I just hope this makes sense. Hopefully this come out good. I'm gonna look like idiot right now and then later. Oh, she look like idiot now. She looks like idiot. later. If you know this makes sense. Alright, so this is the best I feel like we can get with this. Like, I look weird right now. I feel afraid of myself. We can't look anywhere too long. We pass out. This is the best we can get with this right now. You feel me? I'm kind of afraid of myself a little bit. I'm like, you feel it? My orange I'm red. So now when I put the foundation first, then add the orange over, or we just go straight ahead with the orange, and then after more add the red. So I'm gonna check out what the orange looks like on the skin first. So we know say Tigger orange. Okay, yeah, we can get somewhere with this for sure, yes. Wanna see look already, or I just me one? Maybe we can add a little red here and there if we touch up it. I feel like the little brush I got itself doing a little brush. Maybe we can add a little red here and there if we like touch up it. I side if we add like white. Yeah? Where's the bathroom? Daddy, lock back your door now! Daddy! I don't know what's the problem with parents. They just can't lock back your door. Daddy! Hopefully nobody not come in here like they actually leave me alone and let me do this. You know them way that? Why somebody just said bathroom a while ago as me speak? Yeah, don't pull the door. Wait, no pass it. Yeah. Lock back your door, please. Only thing that come out so far. I think it look like idiot. I feel like your paint need to be more richer or more something to make it dry. Just scratch my nose, you know. Rawr. Look like this has scratched my nose. My nose just sensitive. That was refreshing. So I feel like if we add the red, I'm kind of like blending it. Make it got this look super orange look. Cause it orange but not too orange. Oh, this has scratched my nose. You know, look good. But it's good. So let's make it really good. Please do not doubt me. I feel like we should do my neck. Down on my neck area. I feel like that is too much on my right. Now we're gonna add back the orange.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow.
Don't play with orange. Orange I give raw, like what? I can't put it on my nose too much. I don't know, my skin Me know sensitive, every little thing touchy, come weary of yourself. Did you want to put it on your side now? No, so I'm gonna put it on there. I'll put it on there. You see me? Alright guys. When we done with the next part, I come back and I extra now, I do too much. Alright guys, I really want to get this far type process, but my phone dead, so I'm gonna just do it and then come back with light and everything, because I don't want to give you a bad point of view of how it look. You feel me? Ready, steady, go. I like it. I like it so well.
You see if you want to post.
Baby, when I laugh, it's crucial. Don't laugh, don't laugh. Don't be sick. I might well go outside. Ooh, natural light. I have to turn the back camera.
Oh, that is a bad picture of me. Now who took this?
Now it's everybody. Ooh, my camera the phone. Everybody's phone busy. This is the finishing look. Hopefully, I see. What if my Bente? Oh, what if my let that mirror look like Lion King? Oh yes, this looks scary. What the heck? Ah, samenya itio somewhere. Ah, samenya sabintia hamburna.
What they say? You know I had to double it. You know I had to double it.
Yo, hopefully it's a record properly, like. Ah, sweet, when me laugh, it crush up, like, so I try not to laugh. Alright, but I'm not giving as much view, Penny. Ah, so when you have a beat, but taking a look, she's saying a real, so I'm not afraid. Ah, so when you, I'm giving it from bottom. Ah, samenya bintiadum. Ah, samenya bintiadum. Ah.
Oh, that is a bad picture of me.
That's what we say, right? Everything. But this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna make some TikTok video. I'm gonna talk like this because I can't load and talk because it will tear. You feel me? So I'm gonna do some TikTok video right now, so me for sure go do but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Lion King and share this video. No, if you man pan the Tigger's bag. And subscribe free, you feel me? If you feel like me for the one more then where comment down below, but a little bit more and later, you feel?
That's for me.
This is chunLi for TVJ News.